first we fixed our car door, which unfortunately broke.
That's right.
And now we've done a lot, including getting the entire floor on. And now, right now, we are taking apart the frame to lower it.
That's right. So, tonight's project is we've had the shell up on the exoskeleton. You can see the exoskeleton's there, and there are these 4x4s, and then all the way across. The project for tonight, John, it's Friday night. I worked till about like 3 o'clock today. Came home, picked John up. We came out here. We cut a bunch of blocks that we could use to put the jacks on top of as we inch our way down. Hopefully that process will become a little more clear as you see us doing it. But going to just raise it up about an inch or so, take off these horizontal members that you see here, and then put it on wooden outriggers that will supports that will go right down to the new chassis. And the new chassis, which is up on jackstands, you can see a little bit there, 2 jackstands, but yesterday, the day before yesterday I came and I needed to level it all out, put the whole thing on 8 jackstands. No, you don't need to, it's good. So anyway, the project for tonight is to remove these horizontal members. So we're going to lift it up an inch, the whole thing, with the jacks we've set up inside. I'll show you that array before we begin, the array of jacks, and then put up an inch, and then have it resting on the chassis with the outriggers no longer resting on the exoskeleton, so that we can prepare the process of lowering it down little by little. Once we get it off the exoskeleton, we can actually take the exoskeleton off, and that's a good thing. You go up there, climb up there, son. Very good. Okay, first you see the exoskeleton. That's this. The exoskeleton is this part over here. This thing we built on the outside. There's an internal skeleton and an external skeleton, an external frame and internal frame. And right now, that thing that you have your hand on, that's the horizontal member that the internal skeleton or the internal frame, you can see that here, is resting on the 2 external, on the exoskeleton, we call it the external frame. There it is, like an old railroad bridge. Okay, and that is what we're going to take it off. We're going to take the shell off of that tonight. And we're going to do that just by lifting up just an inch and then setting it down on these blocks with these supports. And so the whole thing will be sitting on these 8 supports on top of the frame tonight. And we'll also put the jacks to make it a little more secure. So, and there's what John is doing. So he's lifting it up. And what we'll do is once we get it an inch higher, then we'll put the extra block, and it'll be technically off the exoskeleton, and we'll be able to remove that exoskeleton, which will give us a lot more room to work. So that's what John and I want. We want a lot more room to work. So we want to get rid of this exoskeleton, disassemble it, and be on our way. Okay. First, I have to unsecure each of these sets of horizontal structures is secured to the frame. So I got the exoskeleton, so we have to unsecure it. That's going to be kind of step 1. And actually, before we do this, we should move all these wood and stuff. You know that? So let's go ahead. A lot of it's just later anyway.
It has low battery.
What's that?
It's on low battery.